Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about something that is transforming the world faster than almost any technology before it, artificial intelligence. This is a simple guide designed for beginners and business owners who want to understand what AI really is and how it can be used in the real world. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear understanding of AI and how it can help businesses grow and operate more efficiently. Artificial intelligence is not a future concept anymore. It is already here, and it is changing the way the world works. From online shopping to healthcare, AI is quietly improving efficiency and decision-making across industries. Today, around 77% of businesses are already using or exploring AI. AI is expected to contribute trillions of dollars to the global economy. And companies that adopt AI can see productivity improvements of up to 40%. This is why AI is becoming essential for modern businesses. So what exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, artificial intelligence is software that can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. You can think of AI as a smart assistant that gets better over time. Unlike traditional software that follows fixed instructions, AI improves as it processes more information. It does not need to be programmed for every situation. Instead, it learns and adapts on its own. And that is what makes AI so powerful. The first type of AI is generative AI. Generative AI creates new content from simple instructions. This includes writing emails and reports, creating images, producing videos, and even generating code. For example, AI writing tools can create content in seconds. AI image tools can produce professional designs instantly. And AI video tools allow businesses to create marketing content without needing expensive equipment. Generative AI helps businesses create content faster and more efficiently. The second type of AI is automation AI. Automation AI focuses on handling repetitive tasks automatically. Instead of spending time on routine work, businesses can allow AI to handle these tasks in the background. For example, AI chatbots can answer customer questions 24 hours a day. Emails can be sent automatically based on customer actions. Leads can be followed up without manual work. And business workflows like scheduling or invoicing can run automatically. Automation AI helps businesses save time and operate more efficiently. The next types of AI are predictive AI and voice AI. Predictive AI uses past data to predict future outcomes. For example, it can recommend products to customers. It can analyze customer behavior. And it can help businesses make smarter decisions. Voice AI allows machines to communicate naturally with humans. This includes AI phone support, voice assistants, and automated conversations. Voice AI allows businesses to provide fast and natural customer interactions. So what does the future of AI look like? AI will not replace every job, but it will transform how we work. Right now, AI helps with content creation, customer support, and automation. In the near future, AI agents will handle complex business tasks independently. And in the long term, AI will become like a digital team member, always available and always working. Businesses that adopt AI early will move faster and stay ahead of competitors. Artificial intelligence is not just the future. The future is already here. Businesses that start using AI today will lead tomorrow. The best way to start with AI is simple. First, learn how AI applies to your business. Second, experiment with one AI tool. And third, scale what works across your organization. Starting small today can lead to big advantages tomorrow. At Dynamic AI, we help businesses use artificial intelligence to work smarter and grow faster. We build intelligent AI systems that operate 24/7 without breaks or limits. Our solutions include AI chatbots for customer support, voice agents for automated calls, workflows and automation, and AI employees that help businesses operate more efficiently. Our goal is simple: to help businesses automate and scale. Do like, share, comment and subscribe for more such incredible AI updates. Dynamic AI, we automate, you scale. Thank you.